Bluetooth not working in your Honda Accord? Let's get you reconnected in under 2 minutes. Bluetooth issues happen to almost every Honda Accord owner at some point. Maybe your phone won't pair, calls keep dropping, or music won't play. Here's how to fix it, step by step. First, turn your Accord off and back on. Sometimes a simple restart fixes everything. Next, on your phone, go to Bluetooth settings and forget your Honda. Then, on your Accord screen, remove your phone from the paired devices list. Now, restart both your phone and the car. When both are back on, try pairing again. Make sure Bluetooth is enabled on your phone and you're not trying to connect to multiple devices at once. If you have an iPhone, turn off Bluetooth and turn it back on. Still having issues? Check if your phone's software and your car's infotainment system have any updates available. Install those updates. They often solve hidden bugs. If nothing works, try resetting your Accord's infotainment system to factory settings. Remember, this erases saved data like radio presets and contacts, and if you're still stuck, consider visiting your local Honda dealer. Bluetooth problems are common and usually easy to fix, and that's it. Now you know how to fix your Honda Accord's Bluetooth connection fast.